Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank in the RVer Frank garage. As you can see there, this sheathing, or what I call wafer board, is exempt from formaldehyde regulations because it's exterior sheathing for construction, home construction, commercial construction. As such, probably not the best interior use, because as you know, if you're familiar with this, it has that odor, probably the formaldehyde odor. And but for the bug out truck, it will work. I'm going to be coating this with some paint, and of course the top surface of the bed deck will be covered in carpet. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead with using this for the bed deck. And there's plenty of ventilation there if there's a formaldehyde concern. Okay, I'm going to get on with painting. Here's my bed platform. You have the sheathing, the center support, and again, this is designed to come out. And in fact, all of this can just come out of there if I need to bring it out. I wanted to be able to have it such where it be basically three pieces, and then this whole area can be cleaned out. The centerpiece is self-supported by the fact I have these outriggers here that fit in the contour of the bed, so it'll keep it from tipping over laterally as I lift either one of these sides up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this indoor-outdoor carpeting on these on the bed deck and do some final fitting. And I think I've just completed the bug out truck bed platform. So if you follow this build, you'll see that I made this can all come out in three pieces. I got storage trunks. I decided to go with these instead of a long drawer, mainly because if I'm in my garage pulled in, I don't want to have a 5-foot drawer to maneuver to get to anything in here, prepare for a trip or whatever. So these come up. It's a complete access underneath there. And both sides. That's why I say the whole thing can come out. These two panels in the center structure comes out. These can pull out. I may or may not get trunks or tubs to go forward. May just place it on the floor. Sleeping bag. Probably put cooking utensils and camp stove maybe in a tub. I'll have to see. So that's completes this stage of the build of the bug out truck. So I will probably keep under there my sleeping bag, camp stove, all the utilities go camping underneath here, and on top will be available for whatever I throw in there. So this is a real nice cab level. Unfortunately, it's a single person sleeper. Diagonally, you're looking at about maybe 6'2", so I can get my feet from one end of my head in the other corner, and good enough to stretch out. Okay, so I'm looking for any comments, feedback. I've not secured this to the bed in any way. It's pretty snug. No lateral support vertically, you just pull it out of there. So I don't plan on fixing it to the bed at all. This is not entering any Baja 500 off-road courses. Just simply four-wheel drive wherever I need to get to. But I think these will stay in place. It's not going to go anywhere. So, anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. happy trails.